Okay, for rule number 2 of this time adding integers with different signs. So that means you're adding integers, one is positive and the other one is negative. So what to do? Okay, subtract the numbers, then copy the sign of the number with bigger absolute value. Copy the sign of the number with bigger absolute value. Okay? So let's have example number 1. Subtract the numbers. So 8 minus 4. What is 8 minus 4? Of course, it is 4. Okay? Which of them has bigger absolute value? Positive 4 or negative 8? What is the absolute value of positive 4? It is positive 4. What is the absolute value of negative 8? It's positive 8. So negative 8 has bigger absolute value. So take that sign. So your answer is negative 4. Okay? Letter B example. Subtract the number. 10 minus 2 is 8. Which one has bigger absolute value? Negative 10 or positive 2? What is the absolute value of negative 10? It is positive 10. What about positive 2? It is 2. So negative 10 has bigger absolute value. So it should be negative. Okay? Letter C example. Subtract the numbers. 16 minus 12 is 4. Okay, what should be the sign? Let us first identify the absolute value of its integer. Negative 12. What is the absolute value? It is positive 12. What is the absolute value of positive 16? It is positive 16. So therefore, positive 16 has bigger absolute value. Take the sign of positive 16. Do you understand? Okay, letter D example. For letter D example, subtract the number. 8 minus 8. What is 8 minus 8? 0. Okay? What is the sign of 0? 0 has no sign. It's neither positive nor negative. So you have to remember this. Example, if I have positive 8 plus negative 8, so the answer is 0. Remember this? Okay, what about letter E? For letter E example, so the bigger number with the negative 42 with bigger absolute value is written below. But we need to subtract the numbers since the signs are different. So what are we going to do if you cannot subtract mentally? So you have to rewrite. So you have to write it here, negative 42 plus positive 16. But if you couldn't, you can do it mentally, subtract it mentally. So that means you can do it directly without doing the rewriting this way. Okay? So subtract. So this will become 12, this will become 3. 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. Take the sign of the number with the bigger absolute value. So negative 42 has bigger absolute value. That's positive 16. So take the sign negative.